Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to turn off those accepted follow request notifications. No more unnecessary pings cluttering your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can control all the notifications for your apps, not just Instagram. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Instagram in the list. You can either scroll until you see the Instagram icon or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found Instagram, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, you'll see several options, but what you want is notifications. Tap on the Notifications option to access all the notification settings specifically for Instagram. Here, you'll find a list of different notification categories that Instagram can send to your phone. Scroll through the categories until you see Accepted Follow Requests. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone accepts your follow request. To turn off these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Accepted Follow Requests to the off position. The switch should change color or move to indicate that it's now disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Accepted Follow Request notifications for Instagram. From now on, your phone will stay a little quieter, and you'll only get the notifications that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram feed.